Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your eBay account security with managed payments. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin verifying your eBay account security with managed payments, log in to your eBay account. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings section. Look for the payments option on the left-hand menu. Click on payments to access the managed payments settings. If prompted, review any notifications regarding account security. Next, locate the Verify Identity button. Click on this button to start the verification process. You may be asked to verify your phone number or email address. Follow the on-screen instructions to receive a verification code. Enter the verification code in the designated field. Once your identity is verified, you will see a confirmation message. Next, review the required information for managed payments. Ensure that your banking information is accurate and up to date. If necessary, add or update your bank account details. After entering the information, confirm that it is correct. Now, check if you need to upload any documents for verification. Common documents include a government-issued ID or utility bill. Follow the prompts to upload any required documents securely. Once uploaded, you may need to wait for eBay to review your submission. You will receive a notification once your account is fully verified. Finally, revisit the payments section to ensure everything is in order. Your eBay account is now secure and ready to use with managed payments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.